Oh, hi mga Kabs, kumusta? Sana sa buting kalagayan at malulusog yung pangatawan. Meron tayong news update na naman patungkol kay Jonathan Morales. Pinasinungalingan na naman si discredited ex-PDEA agent Jonathan Morales matapos sabihin ni dating Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. na di niya kailanman nakita ang anumang illegal drug report mula kay Morales. Dinagdag pa ng dating Executive Secretary, hindi totoo na kailanman nakita ko at nakausap niya ng personal si Morales. Ito ay hinayag ni Ochoa sa nagaganap na Senate hearing. Ito ay ihinayag ni Ochoa sa naganap na Senate hearing at di umanong leak sa Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. Ayon kay Morales, nakipagkita siya mismo sa dating Executive Secretary upang ipakita sa kanya ang kanyang ulat. Ngunit pinasinungalingan ito mismo ni Ochoa sa hearing ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. So, ito nga mga Kaps, ito na naman tayo. Isa na naman to sa patunay na talagang hearsay at gawa-gawa lang ang mga kwento ni Jonathan Morales. At dito talaga napapahiya na si Senator Bato de la Rosa sa mga pinagsasabi ni Morales na puro naman talaga sinungalingan. Ito na naman ay pinatunayan ni Ochoa. So, ito pakinggan nyo yung part na nangyari at comment down below kung ano yung masasabi nyo dito. Pakishare na rin. Maraming salamat. Nako, tama na Morales. Sayang na ang Senate hearing na to. Sayang ng oras ng lahat at ang pera dyan na ginagamit.
During your time as the Executive Secretary, did the information regarding the alleged involvement of Ms. Maricel Soriano and Bongbong Marcos and other high-profile cohorts reach your office?
No, sir.
Thank you. May we know if you have seen the alleged pre-operation authority document signed by Mr. Morales, which is one of the subject matter of this inquiry?
Not at all, sir.
Thank you. During our first hearing, Mr. Morales claimed that you commanded ASIC Gadapan and the PDEA to stop the operation against Ms. Maricel Soriano and Bongbong Marcos and other high-profile cohorts and disregard the request for pre-operation authority. Anong masasabi mo dito, sir?
As I earlier mentioned, I don't even know him, and I don't recall of any occasion that we have met or even talked. So I completely deny that I have made those instructions as alleged.